Okay, today we're going to learn a new skill on Telegram application, and that'll be to create a new quiz on Telegram. All you need to do is open up this application and go in the search menu and write QUIZ quiz bot. So here comes the quiz bot. What you need to do is write / and you'll see the options here, create a new quiz. So the first thing that you need to do is write a name for the quiz. For example, it is Telegram usability quiz. Okay, it's just an example, you can do your own. Now we have to give a description for the quiz. All right, so now we have created a poll, and the first thing that we need to do is create a question. So we click here, I'll show you again. We'll click here, we'll create a question, and the question is, how often do you use Telegram? Option 1, and click daily. Option 4, monthly, because there may be some people who use it monthly. And you can add a comment here, and you can add a smiley here as well. So we have to choose one option as well, and that is daily. So we click that and press send. So this is how we use Telegram to make a quiz. By tapping this here, we can add another question, or simply when we're done, we click on this done, or we use / done. All right, so it's asking me for time limit for questions, and the time limit would be, because it's an easy quiz, that time limit would be 10 seconds. And if it's asking me you want to shuffle it or not, I say we shuffle all the questions. So now, as you can see, we've easily created a quiz here. Now you can share this quiz with your friends. I hope you learned something out of this video. Take care and enjoy. Thank you for watching.